What's up, guys? We are back. Today we're going to be working on our 2009 Toyota Camry. It has a 2.4 liter VVTi 4-cylinder. First thing we're going to do, make sure we have the hood open, obviously. Next we're going to get a number 10 socket. Nut drive works just fine. We're going to loosen one nut. Go back here. Loosen the second one. After this, we're going to push in and lift up at the same time, and that's going to cause those clips over here to disengage. Following this, I'm going to go and pull this out. Keep in mind, the filter actually is directional. See, there's a little right angle tab on this side. The rest of these are all rounded. The angled part goes to the back left, back by the throttle body. So this one doesn't look too bad, but we're going through a new car, all of the maintenance, filters, fluids, all that. So kind of brand new filter here. We're going to lift that up, get this set in. So we're going to make sure we're going to angle this up as we line those tabs in. Alright, we're in. Now we go and make sure we get these tightened in. And we are done. That is it. That is how to change the air filter on your 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry with a 2.4. Remember to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful, and I will see you next time.